Welcome to our guide on storing steak in the fridge to maintain freshness and safety. Whether you're a home cook or a steak enthusiast, these tips will ensure your steak remains delicious and safe to eat. Steak can be safely stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. It's crucial to keep track of storage time to ensure freshness. To prevent air exposure and contamination, store your steak in an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag. Always place your steak on the bottom shelf of the fridge to prevent any possible contamination of other foods. If you're not planning to consume the steak within 3 to 5 days, freezing is an excellent option for extended storage. To maintain its quality, always thaw frozen steak in the refrigerator, not at room temperature. Remember, following these guidelines ensures your steak remains fresh and safe. Always adhere to food safety practices to prevent foodborne illnesses.